One of the things that can really help us visually understand what's going on in our objects manager is being able to distinguish between different tags and objects. And with the architectural grass shader, we can't really do that, as is also the case with some of these other tags like the vertex maps, polygon selections, and so on. Now, what we can do in Cinema 4D Release 21 is we can actually single click to select that tag, and in that tag's basic properties, we now have this icon settings, which we can unfold. And this first architectural grass shader tag that I have here, it's actually a dry long grass. So what I'm going to do in its icon settings is enable the icon color, and it gives me automatically this yellow color, which is great. So visually I can tell that this is going to be the yellow grass, the dry grass. Then I'll go select the next tag. This is the regular default grass. I'll leave that icon as is. And then I'll go to the third one I have on here. I know that this is like an inverted density from the base grass, which has some layers and noise to control the density. Now, in this inverted one, I'm going to go icon color, and I'm just going to pick a different, slightly different green here. And now I can see visually I have 3 different architectural grass materials. And so I know that this one down here in my materials manager named dry long grass is the same as this yellow one. This one named grass is this lime green looking one. And the inverted is this darker grass tag. Now in the object itself, I'm going to change that as well. So I'm going to select that object, and here, rather than doing an icon color thingy, I'm actually going to load an image. So I've already downloaded one to my desktop. I'm going to open that up, and then immediately we can now see I have a custom icon for my grass proxy object in my scene.